Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread cheese balls. Start by tearing bread into small cubes and set aside. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F. Combine bread with grated cheese, beaten egg, and chopped herbs in a bowl until mixture sticks together. Form into walnut-sized balls, roll in breadcrumbs, and arrange on a baking sheet. Bake until golden and gooey, then serve warm with your favorite dipping sauce. For fillings, pick cheeses that melt well and add a contrasting sharp bite for interest and stretch. Try bacon or jalapeno for smoky and spicy notes that cut through the richness. Spoon a small amount into each formed ball to ensure an even melt without leaks. Keep wet ingredients minimal and use breadcrumbs to seal edges. These steps help create a satisfyingly gooey center and a crisp outer shell every time. If you're finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tasty recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great between grocery runs, and it pairs surprisingly well with snack road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals before we continue. Now let's get back to the video. Coating matters. First toss balls lightly in flour, then dip in beaten egg, and finally roll in fine breadcrumbs for a crisp golden crust. Chilling the shaped balls firm up the exterior and prevents bursting during cooking, so don't skip this step. Bake at moderate heat until crust is deep golden, or shallow fry briefly for extra crunch. Let rest a couple minutes after cooking to avoid molten cheese burns and enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.